Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the DSTV Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 0, Cape Town City 0. I'm joined by some fans. My brother, what's your name and where are you from?
Siso from Promospray.
Yeah. Okay, Spuda, what did you think about today's game?
I think the game was it was a great game.
Yeah.
They played very well.
Yeah.
The citizens.
Yeah.
Without any doubt, Sundowns is a good team. It's a champs. They've won the league already.
Yes, sir.
But now today we've shown them some discipline today. We've shown them that they are coming from Cape Town, but they played very well.
Yeah.
Like thanks to Kitu from the coach.
Yeah.
I mean, like the lineup, the discipline, the substitution. I mean, it can be sharp, young kid, but
was that made them so tough for Mamelodi Sundowns?
I think the hunger from Cape Town City, and also they are fighting for top 8, remember? And Sundowns, yes, they were a little bit relaxed because of now they already win. But now the Cape Town City, like they are still fighting for top 8. So now they went all out. Even the coach, I spoke to him before the game. He said, "No, we are going to make it." Unfortunately, but the draw is nothing. It's nothing. Like I mean, away game from Cape Town to the side to Bria. It's something.
Okay.
But the citizens.
The citizens.
Away.
So who would you give the man of the match to?
I think Kit. He was a coach. He's a defender, but at the same time he was an assistant coach. He was leading the guys there from the back. Mtanzane was disappointed. Not Mtanzane, excuse. Not that was disappointed a little bit in first half. But second half, Uzamilu pick up. The boys played very well. 0-0.
You happy with the point?
Yeah, no, I'm happy. It's away. You know, we are playing with the champs here. So now, a 0-0 against the champ. We didn't concede anything. So they played very well. They've showed the character and they've showed that they know how to play football. 0 is something.
Definitely a lot of positives today for the citizens. So my brother, is there anything that you'd like to tell Cape Town City supporters at home that are watching?
Yeah, what I can say that they must come to support Cape Town City. Cape Town City is a good team.
Yes, sir.
And I know, like this side, they don't have supporters, but we are here, we are supporting them. But we are coming back stronger next season. Bafong Bongambin. Sharp.